Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use the texture mapping in FreeCAD. So on this part I wanted to use the copper texture. So for this, first I will search over the internet and I will search for the copper texture, and here this image I have saved as a copper texture. And now how we can apply this copper texture in FreeCAD. So for this, select the body and go to the view and click on texture mapping, and here I will select my copper texture and I will say OK, and I will click on environment here. So you can see that that copper texture is applied on the part. Now I will switch to my model here, and I can see that a copper texture, and if I wanted to replace it with some other texture, for example I wanted to switch with this one, so I will take a screenshot and I will save as a copper texture 2 and save. Now I will go to the task and change my image to 1 to 2 and I will say OK. So now you can see that second image copper texture has been applied. So this is the very useful features to see the actual part with material, either it is copper or chromium or steel, whatever it is. The only drawback is that once you close it, the texture will get disappear. So this feature is useful if you want to apply the texture, if you want to take any screenshot for your presentation. So this is a very useful feature. The only drawback is that it get disappeared once you close the task. So again, if I go to the texture mapping and I click on environment here, so it is again get applied. Basically this saves your past linked image here. So this is the very small tutorial for a beginner user how to apply the texture in FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will come with more useful tips and tricks on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.